Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.